Hello and welcome back to my channel everyone. So today's read is gonna be for our Aquarians, and we are doing this weekly reads from the 15th to the 21st of February. Let's see what comes up for our Aquarians. We will look at the recent past energies, then the current energies, and then the immediate future. So let's see what was the recent past for our Aquarians. If this read resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Universe, please guide our Aquarians. Show us the energy of the Aquarians. Aquarians, recent past. Very stabilized Aquarians. Okay. Current energies. Stabilized. I can't really say that you were stabilized. Immediate future for you. Okay, so in the recent past, not a very stable energy, the recent past energy that I see here, because we do have the Nine of Pentacles and that's in reverse. So your peace of mind is not there. You might share this this whatever you're feeling with someone, like a motherly figure to you. You might share all what's going on in your head to her, and then eventually in the recent past we do have the Fool card. So maybe for this happiness, for whatever you want in your life, maybe you had to take a very strong step. You had to just trust the universe blindly, and you had to take this leap of faith, and you had to take this step. And that is in terms of some soulmate connection that I feel here. Not necessarily in terms of job, but it could be for some of you. But for most of you, I do see it's in terms of a soulmate connection. I do see you taking this step. Some of you might have got married. Maybe before this you were thinking about getting married, but now you have got married to this certain person in your life. And in the current situation, because we have the High Priest here, we do have the marriage card, we do have this official relationship with this person. In the current situation, I do see that things are speeding up in your life. You are going towards this person very fastly. You are trying to approach this person you're like crazy about this person. You are really wanting to go towards this person anyhow, like whatever it takes, you're just gonna do it. Okay. In the immediate future, we do have the Empress, the Hermit in reverse, and the Six of Pentacles in reverse, which means, and also the overall situation, the overall situation for this read, overall energy is the Three of Swords, which is deception, which is actually some kind of frustrations in terms of love. Because maybe you tried to approach this person, you took this strong step to go and get married to this person, and this person just did not even respond to your calls. This person just left you out in the cold. And you were very happy about this situation. You were very happy about this whole marriage situation, and somewhere you got the guidance from this motherly figure, or this elder sister, or any person with whom you share everything, every part of your life. every little bit. This marriage or this relationship was your life, but then everything just turned upside down, and some kind of loss in finances, some kind of loss definitely in terms of this whole relationship thing. Aquarians, what's wrong with you? Okay, so I mean, you did all this with guidance from a certain person. Maybe you convinced them, or I'm not sure, but things didn't turn out the way you wanted them to turn out. That's why it's leaving you frustrated and little broken hearted. Things are not in balance right now. Okay, I would really want to take the guidance for our Aquarians, because I haven't taken out the universal guidance for anyone. But Aquarians, for this February month, you had a very intense read. I would again tell you to go back to my channel, and or maybe I'll just post it up there. This Aquarius read for February month. But let's see what is the guidance for you, Aquarians. Maybe there's something good waiting for our Aquarians. That's why this relationship didn't work out the way you wanted it to be. Universal guidance for our Aquarians. You are tied up with this person. You feel very tied up with this person. Take the guidance from a motherly figure in your life. Take the guidance from an elder friend or an elder sister. This particularly is mother or a motherly figure. Take the guidance about this whole situation that you're feeling caged. Some of you might have even got married, some of you not, but you still feel that you are in this bondage of this relationship that you have to actually cut out from your life, because you need to be the Queen of Swords to cut this relationship out from your life. So just take the guidance from someone elder than you, with whom you share everything, possibly mother or a motherly figure, and you will be released from whatever you're feeling right now. You'll be released from all this imbalanced energy. So that was your read, Aquarians. If it resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.